Today's gonna be a self-care day and I'm gonna show you what I do as self-care in Hong Kong. Yeah, so this is just my usuals, like my Pilates, gym, nails, lashes, and maybe hair. I don't do facial here, so I can't show you that. And I usually do this on Sundays. So right before I get back to work on Monday, that's when I really need like a weekly reset and something to take care of my body so I feel good and ready for the week. I think in Hong Kong, there's really a lot of options for you to enjoy as self-care. Like, as long as you have money, there's a lot of things you can do, but I always have very specific things that I do every month, so it's kind of like almost maintenance. I would break down how I do self-care into two parts. So the first part is maintenance, and the second part is more of a feel-good activity. So maintenance being like hair, lashes, nails, very important, and then feel-good activities being Pilates, getting coffee, making breakfast, even reading at a cafe and whatnot, just to make myself feel better. Yeah, so I'll take you guys along with me. I have an 11 a.m. class in a new studio, but first I'm having my breakfast. I just have my go-to breakfast: yogurt, fruits, and granola. Quick outfit of the day. I'm wearing my Lululemon Nulu jacket, Lululemon tank top, Lulu bag, AirPods Max, and then my airy flare pants, and then my Salomons. Please ignore the boxes at the back. To beat the Sunday scaries, I've asked my friend to come hang out with me at my favorite cafe. I'm bringing you to Fine Print in Sai Kung. The weather's really good, so I'm just gonna walk there. It's actually such a nice day to walk today, and it's so cool. I'm already in Shangwan. Like, that was such a fast walk because the weather is so nice, and this is not gonna last very long, so I'm just enjoying the last few days of spring. Please go ahead. We moved to the outside seats because it's more vibey. The background is so funny. It's the scaffolding. It's so Hong Kong.
Why don't you buy the DJI?
It's expensive. Hong Kong core. Done with today. I'm back from Pilates. Now for the rest of the day, I look very short in this video. For the rest of the day, what I'm gonna do is just maybe edit my YouTube. I'm actually in love with my fit today. It's my first time wearing this Lululemon jacket and it's very slay. And I can't wear this in the summer, so I'm really enjoying it now. I love it. Going to the gym quickly. To get my lashes done today. I'm feeling a little under the weather, so wearing a mask so I don't infect my lash artist. So I get my lashes done every month or so. It's been a month. It's been over a month this time around, so I really can't stand it. Oh my god. There's nothing left. Oh, I'm so sorry. I got stuck in really bad traffic. Kind of loving it. Okay, the last step of my self-care routine is obviously skincare. Okay, first of all, ignore my hair. I rarely do anything special to my skin. I just do my daily moisturizer and eye cream. But today I'm feeling a little extra, so I'm gonna try something different. I have these Riedel shots that I want to try. So actually I have 3 different ones. The first one is the red booster shot. The second one in the middle is the black truffle Riedel shot. And the pink one is a collagen Riedel shot. And I want to try the collagen one today. I'm generally very scared of using this product because what do you mean by micro needling at home, right? But last time it worked pretty well on me. They sent this to me, by the way. Okay, so it's just a regular white color, this one, but I think the other ones are like crazy colored. And I have a bit of redness today. I think it's just really sensitive. This time I don't really feel the tingling sensation. The first time I tried it, I felt it a lot. Okay, and then I think you're supposed to put like moisturizer after. And this is the one I use from Dijuran. Okay, and that's my skincare, and I think the effects are supposed to show like a lot later. I have to wait till at least tomorrow, so okay. If you made it this far in the video, you are a real one. So yeah, that's the end of my video. I hope that my video gave you inspiration to do the things you love, to do the things that make you feel like your best self, and just to take care of yourself because you only live once. All jokes aside, thank you as always. I truly appreciate every single one of you. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll catch you in my next video.